Hello, little artists! Let's paint with ABC. Colors everywhere, let's learn A to Z. A is for Aqua. Aqua, bright and beautiful. B is for blue. Blue, paint the sky. C is for crimson. Crimson blooms so bright. D is for dark green. Dark green, leafy delight. E is for emerald. Emerald, shine so bright. F is for fuchsia. Fuchsia, pretty and bright. G is for gold. Gold, sparkles so bright. H is for hot pink. Hot pink, happy and bright. I is for indigo. Indigo, dreamy night. J is for jade. Jade, flutter so bright. K is for khaki. Khaki, cozy and fun. L is for lavender. Lavender, soft and sweet. M is for magenta. Magenta floats so high. N is for navy blue. Navy blue, sail away. O is for orange. Orange, bright and cheerful. P is for purple. Purple flutters so high. Q is for quartz white. Quartz white, sparkle bright. Blue. R is for red. Red, happy, happy and bright. S is for silver. Silver, shine and glow. T is for turquoise. Turquoise, splash with joy. U is for ultramarine. Ultramarine, deep and bright. V is for violet. Violet, bloom with love. W is for white. White, white, soft and light. X is for Xanadu Green. Xanadu Green, nature's delight. Y is for yellow. Yellow, bright like the sun. Z is for zinc gray. Zinc gray, shine today. ABC, we learned every color today. Paint the world with happy colors. Let's paint again. Goodbye, little artists. See you next time.